Welcome to Mr. Michael's ELA classroom. What are we going to learn today?
Hello students, today we are going to learn about some words and phrases that are persuasive. Since we are doing persuasive writing, we need to know which words we can use to convince people quicker and more efficiently. So here are some words and phrases that are persuasive. So here's the word or phrase and then the example. So, I am writing to, for example, I am writing to inform you that people should not be able to smoke around others. We can do without this. Smoking is something we can do without. How unfair! How unfair is it that people can become sick because another person smokes near them? We can solve the problem of smoking near others by fining people. Do you really think it is fair for others to get asthma because someone is smoking near them? It will ruin our quality of life. If people continue to smoke around others, it will ruin our quality of life. Local people feel that smoking is haram and it should not be done around others. Is it really worth the negative effects on people's health to allow them to smoke around others? This will mean that smokers will have to be more responsible around others. Surely everyone will agree nobody has the right to smoke near children. So these are some words and phrases that are persuasive. We can use these when we are writing persuasive essays. Here are some words that we can use in our various paragraphs in our persuasive essay. So in the introduction, we could use things like I think, for this reason, I feel that, I am sure that, it is certain, I am writing to, of course, in the same way, on the other hand, in this situation. When we are making our point, i.e. we're giving our reasons, we could use transition words like firstly, secondly, thirdly, furthermore, in addition, also, finally, likewise, besides, again, moreover, similarly. And then when we are giving evidence, we could use words like for example, in fact, for instance, as evidence, or in support of this. So when we are kind of making our reasons and then our evidence, you could say, firstly, I believe smoking is very bad because it harms people. As evidence, the CDC states that smoking causes cancer. So basically, we've combined these two to make our paragraph. And then finally, the ending, for these reasons, as you can see, in other words, on the whole, in short, without a doubt, in brief, and undoubtedly. So when we look at this, that's our first paragraph. These are our second, third, plus paragraphs, remembering we probably want to make at least 3 paragraphs because we want to have 3 reasons and 3 pieces of evidence. And then this is our final paragraph. You could think about it like introduction, body, conclusions. There are some other words we can use to be more persuasive, like reasons, arguments, for, against, unfair, pros, and cons. When we start writing, I'm going to show how we can just use these little words and phrases in our writing to really improve our ability to make a point. So, that's all for now. Get the quiz done, guys.